In an age where efficient communication and seamless collaboration are the cornerstones of successful businesses, Zoho Trident emerges as a game-changing solution that brings these elements together in one powerful platform. Zoho Trident can be obtained from their official website, which will direct you to the Zoho Trident beta page. For Windows users, simply click on the Download for Windows option to initiate the Zoho Trident download process. After the download finishes, run the application. This will trigger the installer to open. Proceed by clicking the Install button to commence the installation of Trident Beta. Trident is currently in its beta stage and is actively being developed. As a result, it might contain minor bugs or lack certain features that will be included in forthcoming updates. Zoho Trident is currently compatible exclusively with Windows 11 and Windows 10. However, versions for Mac and Linux are on the horizon. Following the installation's completion, click Launch to initiate Zoho Trident. Let's now proceed with setting up Zoho Trident. Upon launching the application, select Sign in to your account. This will present you with a Terms and Conditions page. Thoroughly review the content of the page, then opt to either agree or cancel. If you wish to proceed with Zoho Trident, click Agree and proceed to either create a new account or log in to an existing one. Once you've successfully logged in, click on Customize Now to configure your profile. Personalize your workspace by establishing Trident's theme, style, colors, and arrangement of icons. Select Take a Tour to familiarize yourself with the Trident application, or choose Skip to immediately commence your work with Trident. With this, the setup of Trident is finalized, and you're free to undertake any tasks you require. Being your comprehensive workplace companion, Trident provides effortless access to email, instant messaging, conference calls, calendar management, note-taking, and task organization, all within a unified platform. By utilizing the integrated Click app, you can seamlessly collaborate with your team even when working remotely. Utilize features like sending audio or video messages, streamlining collaboration through screen sharing, and participating in multi-user conference calls, all directly from Trident Beta. Its intelligent mail feature empowers you to promptly respond to email notifications from other Zoho applications by accessing relevant app data directly within your inbox. Additionally, it provides a smart assistant that enables you to swiftly perform tasks and issue commands. For instance, simply type "Call George" or "Meet Martin at 3 p.m. tomorrow" to initiate a call or schedule a meeting. Upon launching Zoho Trident, your initial view is Zoho Mail. The functionality available to you renders Zoho Mail superior to Outlook in terms of both features and stability. This interface provides an immersive experience, enabling effortless email composition through the new Mail option, as well as streamlined email searching and management. To explore further Trident features, locate the button in the top left corner adjacent to Trident Beta and select Go To. Here, you'll discover the simplicity of accessing Click, Calendar, Tasks, Notes, and Contacts. To swiftly execute various actions, access your smart assistants by either pressing Ctrl then Space or clicking its icon on the toolbar. Open Click to effortlessly oversee your custom chat menu. Arrange chat menu items by dragging and dropping them to your preferred positions. Adjust your chat preferences to single chat, multi-chat, or tab views with equal ease from this interface. Initiate a group chat by selecting New, or commence a video chat by clicking Meet Now. You also have the option to set your availability. The widgets feature stands out as one of the most captivating aspects of Zoho Trident, allowing you to monitor various activities from a unified screen. Opt for Add Widget to choose from the array of available widgets, then confirm your selection by clicking Done. In Calendar, swiftly add events with a single click, or access tasks for efficient task management. Within the Agenda View tab, click on Plus to incorporate a task and utilize At to mention the task's assignee responsible for its completion. Navigate to Notes for note creation or access contacts to effectively manage both personal and organizational contacts. All these tasks can be accomplished within a unified platform. In Zoho Trident, consider the toolbar your companion. Use it to seamlessly navigate through various features. Using Trident is a straightforward process, and the remarkable level of customization available for each module is truly impressive. Through the Settings menu, you can configure your accounts, handle general settings, and even manage Zoho Mail, Click, Calendar, and Contacts. Crucially, you can access integrations from the Settings menu. Simply click on Integration to seamlessly connect your workplace with various modules. These valuable integrations have the potential to significantly enhance your productivity. Zoho Trident stands as a testament to the transformative potential of unified communication platforms. With its native desktop app and seamless integration of communication and collaboration tools, Trident redefines workspaces. Want to learn more about Zoho Trident? Contact our premium Zoho partner team to explore features, functionality, and even more customization options. Thanks for watching.